Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Hai Chau area, guys. We are here at the 100-year-old hotel which got renovated last year and now it's called Signature M Village. At the end of this video I will also link the hotel review I just did there. Very interesting. We're in the Hai Chau area. These are the names, Hai Chau, and yeah, there's a fitness studio over there. Looks very nice and zen here. This whole neighborhood, Hai Chau. This is the north part of Hai Chau. We're gonna take a walk to a very good restaurant where we're gonna have brunch with my wife and Marcus. This is very interesting. It's like a sword and a machine gun. Huh. Yeah, this is how it looks from outside. This yellow building. They have not many rooms, 33. No elevator, but they only have one floor. Looks very stylish. And inside, guys, you have to check out this video. This hotel review is so beautiful. My wife and Marcus fell in love. We have Moss Coffee over here. This is a very relaxed street in the city center of Da Nang. It's gonna also be my last walk in Da Nang for 5 days because I'm gonna go to Siem Reap and we'll make some walks for you over there. Siem Reap. And, yeah, you got the good coffee stations over here. Emma and so my wife and my second wife, Marcus, are waiting here. Hello. He has his Crocs on.
Of course I have my Crocs on.
Yeah, and we're gonna walk now to have Marcus's favorite dish here, unja. There's also a meat plus coffee and tea. A nice stylish coffee shop. Look at this. Huh. Every stylish coffee shop will always have some people making photos in front of it.
One restaurant you said is very good.
Yes. I think it looks also very stylish. I think I put that in my Google Maps guide as well. But we will definitely go to one of my recommendations, this restaurant at the end of the street at the Han River. But yeah, this here is also super stylish, guys. I've been here once. I think I had a coffee and a cake. Yeah, look at how zen that looks. We are in the city center of Da Nang. Very bushy, very nice tree over there as well. This is how it's called. Very nice place. Very stylish, guys. They also have mi quang. And yeah, this whole neighborhood somehow feels very peaceful. But it is very hot, guys. It's very hot and humid. I feel like I really want to have some hardcore rainstorm at night or something. That would be great. This neighborhood is very interesting. There are also some big living apartments, living blocks. Parking over here. It's right where the International Fireworks Festival is. Marcus, there's the bus, and they have a public bus system here. We always want to try out to take this bus. I don't think anyone takes it. Let me see. Is someone inside? Nope. I don't think Vietnamese taking the bus. They take motorbikes. But yeah, they have a public transport here somewhere. And somehow. I really don't know how it works though. So this here is right at the Han River, guys. And this is the restaurant where we're gonna go now. It might be a little bit hot. I hope it's not that hot. I hope they have fans. But they have very, very good food. So don't forget to get my Google Maps guide, guys. All the best places are in there. Either way, scan the QR code or go to the description. We'll have a link over there. Yeah, check it out. We are now at the Bac Dan Street. Also very good, guys. I will definitely film this street once. If you go straight and then to the left, there's a long street with beautiful food. There's also a little park here, a little greenery. Look how nice and harmonic it looks like. And those buildings, very interesting too. New condo buildings getting built over there. We are right here at the Han River. This is the Sontra Mountains. Over there is the ocean.
What they are building there? Is it apartments? You see this?
Huh.
Is it apartments?
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
What?
You need to say, wow.
Wow!
Exactly. Wow.
We need some emotions for the click-through rate. Okay. Okay, now give me the best you have, you both. Okay.
Oh wow, look at this. Wow.
Oh yeah, that's a good thumbnail. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video, this M Village, no, Village, or yeah, something like that. Signature by M Village. Hotel review I just did. Very good, very nice, very unusual for everyone who does not want to be in the main tourist zone and want to have it nice and old school. All right.
This is luxury hotel stay for really low price.
Nice.